Good afternoon, everyone. I am Chandras Ranjit Rajashrike. I am pursuing MBA in Finance from DY Patil Institute of Management and Studies, Akurdi, Pune. Today, my topic is inventory turnover ratio. The inventory turnover ratio measures how effectively a company manages its inventory by showing how many times inventory is sold and replaced over a specific period of time. It's help business to understand demand, manage stocks and stock levels, and optimize the cash flow. The formula of inventory turnover ratio is inventory turnover ratio equal to cost of goods sold upon average inventory. Now we will see the how to improve inventory turnover ratio. First, optimize stock level. Use demand forecasting to avoid stock or understock. Second, improve sales strategy. Offer promotional discounts or bundle deals to boost the sale. Third, use just-in-time inventory. Reduce cost holding order inventory only when need. Fourth, enhance product mix, focus on fast moving products and phase out slow moving items. Fifth, implementing inventory management system using software to track stock levels and automate recordings. Now we will see the types of inventory turnover ratio. First, high inventory turnover ratio. It indicates strong sales or effectively inventory management, common in industry like retail, FMCG, and food business where products are sold quickly. Low inventory turnover. Suggestion slow moving inventory stock or weak sale, common in luxurious goods, heavy machines, and seasonal products. Third, ideal inventory turnover. Balance product availability with minimum holding cost. Company aims for a optimal turnover rate based on inventory standard. Fourth, seasonal inventory turnover varies based on seasonal demand. It means for example, toy retailer have high turnover before Christmas but turnover low after the Christmas in other months. Fifth, perishable versus non-perishable inventory. Perishable goods, it means food, medicine, high turnover ratio is necessary. Non-perishable goods, it means electronic furniture, that which low turnover may appear. Sixth, just-in-time inventory strategies. Nowadays, the companies use just-in-time facilities aims to keep inventory levels low by ordering stocks only when needs. It helps improve turnover ratio by reducing excess inventory. This method is used by the Toyota company, which is automobile manufacturer. Seventh, inventory turnover ratio in different business mode. Retail, like supermarket and examples. High turnover due to frequency of purchase. Manufacturing, moderate turnover ratio. Raw material and work in progress inventory play role. E-commerce can very fast moving consumer goods like FMCG products having high turnover, while electronic may have low turnover. Eighth, impact of slow inventory turnover. It leads to high storage cost. It can affect the working capital and the cash flow of the business. Ninth, use of technology improve inventory turnover. Nowadays, AI and machine learning are very common, where the businessman uses these types of tools and technique in its business to expand its business and to manage the turnover ratio. 10, the strategy to improve inventory turnover ratio. First, optimize pricing competitively. Price can boost sales, reduce lead time, work with the suppliers to ensure fast restocking. So this is from my side. Thank you for listening me. Thank you.